Hi, my name is Ryan Sen. I'm a product specialist with New Leader Manufacturing, and today we're coming to you from our manufacturing facility here in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. I want to talk to you briefly about how to adjust your end gate and your feed gate. The first step that you're going to do to adjust your end gate is to loosen the 4 bolts. You're going to have 2 on each side. Once those are loose, you're going to loosen the 2 bolts on the very bottom of your end gate. Once all the bolts are loose, you take and move the end gate till it is fastened securely to the body of the spreader. Once it's seated securely against the body of the spreader, go ahead and tighten your top 4 bolts back up. Once you have all 4 of the large bolts tightened on the top, you're going to go down to the 2 bolts you loosened on the very bottom of the spreader end gate, reach inside, and you'll find that there's 2 small pieces, triangular pieces of metal. You take those and you move them down until they contact the side of the chain shield. Once you have them flush with the chain shield, you tighten the bolt down and then you repeat the same process on the other side. Once your end gate is fastened securely, you need to verify that your feed gate is level. And to do that, you need to measure from both the left and the right hand side. Now, for this video, we're going to show you that we're measuring from the outside. The best way to measure your feed gate height is from the inside of the box. And as we can see here, the feed gate is level on both sides and is sitting at about 2¼ inches. Next, we'll check and make sure that the feed gate indicator, height indicator, is set properly. On the 4500 series, we feature an adjustable feed gate height indicator. As I mentioned earlier, we need to make sure that when you're looking at it from ground level, you see an accurate depiction of what the feed gate height is. To do that, as I showed you earlier, you measure the feed gate and make sure that it's level on both the left and the right hand side. Once you know that the feed gate is set, in our case it's set at 2¼ inches, you simply loosen the 2 bolts located behind the feed gate height indicator, located here at the midpoint and at the very top, and simply slide the feed gate height indicator up or down until it matches the feed gate height when you're standing on the ground.